Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another Sunday live. This live is not so reliable about how much time we're gonna spend together because there are some internet issues going on where I'm staying right now, and I'm not sure that is it going to be a stable internet connection or not. Still, I'm trying my best to even be with you, but no guarantees today, no guarantees people. Thank you for showing up. Hey Nitin, hey Gurpreet, hey Darshan. Uh, I know you have been waiting for a little bit while. I'm a little bit late, like 5 minutes. I told you that I'll be live at 3 o'clock. But things are changing and some people are not allowing me to do my work like government. And what can I say? Uh, yes, the internet connection is being banned here due to some riots going on. Religious thing that my God is superior, your God is not, or something like that. Uh, all these BS is going on. But yes, still, I'm trying my best to release out the things. But these internet issues really makes a problem when the internet is blocked up, and I can feel the pain what is happening in the Kashmir and everything. And this made iOS app release a little bit delayed. Not much. I think we are going to roll it by Wednesday at the most. But yes, it released and it delayed the rollout of iOS app. Sorry about that. Government should also be sorry for that. But yes, I'm trying my best. So yes, people are showing up and the likes are also coming up. That means you are really happy about the Sunday live. And yes, this is a new decoration of the office that you can see behind my back. It's much more awesome, much more awesome. So we're gonna pick up questions very soon. Stay there, and I'm gonna pick up the questions as soon as we hit out a few more likes that people can show up and can share with me. Share your love by hitting that like button. Okay. So now we're gonna pick up the questions. So hello Aditya, hi Maharshi, hi Beneath. Okay, Creative JE. Uh, Sir, which bank do you use? SBI is worst. Cannot share my banking details with you, but I don't have any problem with even the SBI, HDFC, and a couple of other accounts that we do have in our family. No problem at all so far. Uh, Sir, there are some videos are missing from Bootstrap tutorial. Thank you, Bhavesh, for notifying me that. I'll surely look out for that. Definitely, it's going to be there. Uh, I will surely look up for that. Naveen Khanna says, is it good to sign bond in a company? You're not allowed, actually, you're not required to sign a bond that much often, but usually company do require you to sign an agreement that we are investing so much in you, your training, your stay and everything. So at least you have to stay in the company for 1 year or so. So that's a good thing for companies. But according to the government regulations, you cannot actually fix anybody to hold up for so much long. But yes, if company is investing you, like in training, in providing you laptops, in providing you stays and everything, on doing something for you, 1 year bond is actually kind of a normal thing. How to get expert at Python? Learn Python first of all, basic syntax, then try out a couple of tkinter libraries like the GUI or GUI, whatever you call that. A couple of them first of all, then try to actually master. There is one very beautiful library in the Python known as Beautiful Soup. Try out that, it's an amazing library. Okay, let's pick up another question from Pratik Garg. Sir, my college is offering an internship in Android development in Malaysia. Should I go for it or not? If college is sponsoring you for going to the Malaysia, I would say take it up, take it up. Don't be hesitant. But do remind you that internship are not for learning. Learning is in the training. Internship, you do actually work onto a project and there won't be any help. There won't be much of the things going on like that. So make sure you're aware of how the Android development works. What are you doing? Tell me something new. New is iOS app and a couple of good courses that are coming up. That's something new. So we are moving totally onto an international scale with these apps, and you'll be able to pay. We are inviting more people from United States, Australia, New Zealand. A lot of people are joining up from Nepal, Pakistan, a lot of other countries, Jordan, Egypt, Spain. So yes, that's new thing. Hi Hitesh sir, hi Digital Rishi. That's nice name, Digital Rishi. Green algae. From where you came up with that name? You are looking very handsome. Thank you so much. You are looking great too. Hey, 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 hey. RV calls. Hi, Jasneet. Hi, Ravil. Hi, Legend. Ojus. I'm learning Python. That's great. Great choice there. Go ahead, get started. Keep on learning. How to get job as an Android developer. I have seen some interview tips. Interviews and everything comes up next. Once you have actually established yourself with some kind of apps that are doing good in the market, at least let's just say 1,000 downloads or 5,000 downloads, then you can say to anybody that, hey, my app is doing good, hire me. So I won't ask anything today. Okay, I do understand that sometimes you just want to hang around. That's okay, Kundan. Okay, that's okay. Aditya, hello. Hello to you, Aditya. Which programming language should I learn first before learning Python language? No need to do any kind of dig up, just directly jump into Python. That's it. Adobe XD. Yes, that's an interesting topic. We're gonna cover that up in the video. Okay, hello everybody. Hello Chirag, Yadnesh, Mohammed. Hey Hitesh, hey Karmal. Is it good to learn data structure from Java? Let's discuss this. This one is important. Now, what is data structure? Data structure is a way of how you arrange your data, how you retrieve your data, how you put your data, like push and pop and like all the kind of sortings that you see. This is all data structure. It doesn't require any kind of language. It does require you to have and learn the concept itself. It's not about C, it's not about C++, it's not about Java or Python or anything. It's a core concept itself, and that concept you have to apply through a language, okay? It can be any language at all. It's how you structure or how you put up your data in a string or maybe in the database. It's all about structure. So data structure is an amazing thing. You should learn it, but it's not a language dependent thing, okay? I hope I was clear there. Vaibhav Kumar. Hey AJ. Hey Chirag, love from Chennai, love from Chennai. I just love to see people from different states, different country are joining up together. We are building up a community, so nice that we are helping out each other, asking important questions so that other people can also get good answer for them. I just love this community. Hi Mohammed Fareem, a big fan. Thank you so much, I just love you. Nitish Kumar, which is best, Java or Kotlin? There's no such thing as best and worst. It all depends on what kind of need you're suiting, what environment you're comfortable. Both are great, both are amazing. Hi Manoj, hi Raghuveer, hi Devesh. Why industry use Spring Framework? I have absolutely no idea why the people use Spring Framework. I'm not involved in that much in the Java technologies. Yes, I do work in Java and Android because Android is in the market demand. So that's why I have to work on the Android. There is no option for me and I have to work on Java. Apart from that, I usually don't take Springs and Hibernates and all these things. I usually go with the open source things like PHP or maybe Node.js or something like that. So I prefer that domain. Okay, so hello. How do you develop an iOS app? Usually with the Swift or with the React.js. Both are the great options. There is a new option known as Xamarin as well and Ionic as well. There are a lot of things that you can do, but usually I prefer Swift. And Ajay says, have you developed any iOS app? Yes, I have developed many apps for the clients. I cannot upload them on my personal account, but on my personal account, the Learn Code Online app is coming up. Networking scope, amazing scope. Go ahead, don't think much about it. I think you don't like programming and that much stuff. That's okay, you can go in the networking, it's amazing field. How's the weather, sir? It's okay, not amazingly pleasure weather. It's a little bit hot here. I don't like hot weathers much often. I like the cool things. Maybe I'll move back to Swiss. I like the cool weathers. How to create new language? You have to learn the modern compiler. I do remember a book that I learned that I studied in my masters. I can refer you that later on, through which you can actually learn the language syntax, language structures, and all semantics and everything. You can create that, but it requires a lot of efforts. Okay, so Darshan says React Native versus Cordova. React Native. I'll go with the React Native. Hi Desh, hi Avadhut Sutar. I'm sorry for butchering your name. Android update. Android update is already there. I have launched the update in the white gray t-shirt most of the time. It looks cool, doesn't it? I like it. It looks cool, so simple. Not have to think too much about it. So it's good. Android Studio is not working on my laptop. Please help. I cannot help you remotely with that because I don't know what is the configuration of your laptop and have you installed it properly or not. Is Java is already installed on your system or not? What version of Android Studio you are looking up or working on that? I would say go ahead, install Java first, enable your virtualization in the BIOS mode, then install Android 2 point something version first and then go with the 3 version. It installs a lot of libraries. I need screencast option in it. New app update. Okay, that's interesting thought. Screencast so that you can watch it on TV or something. Interesting, interesting. I'll surely think about it, and I'll definitely will help you there. Discussion section in pen testing. Yes, James George, I've already replied you over email, or I think on the Facebook or email or Facebook, wherever. I will definitely enable that section today. It was just a glitch. I'll fix that up. Okay. Hey, what is the laptop under 25 under 35k? Yes, actually that video is almost ready. That is being shot up today. Laptop under 50k and under 25k, and different choices that I have made for you. I think if internet will be stable, that video will be uploaded by tomorrow. There is some editing and stuff going on with that video. And due to some internet issues, that was delayed. That was meant to be published on Saturday, but internet went crazy. Today is Sunday, so not much work is being done on Sunday. In fact, it's a lazy Sunday. I don't work much on Sundays. So definitely tomorrow, it's gonna come up. Okay. Which is best college for CS in India? Anyone. Go with anyone. You have to learn it on your own. How can I get started with freelancing? Jasneet, actually, I wanted to talk about freelancing, but I was got a little bit busy with these things, you know. You are seeing it back. After that, I can actually talk about freelancing on more videos, and definitely I'll do that. New office. Yes, it looks good. Don't you think? If you think that new office is awesome, the things at the back, and this is a studio light, by the way. And all these things here are amazing and awesome. It looks killer. Go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Okay, Wasim, no need to be rude there. Just say hi to everybody else as well. Okay, which language is best for creating OS? That's a question way above me. Not a good person to answer that. I think your background is good. Thank you so much for opinion, Abhinay. I love that opinion. Pallavi says, is .NET going to be obsolete? No, I don't think so. It's going to stay in the market for long. But it's not me who is working quite a lot on .NET from the starting days. I did learn it for a couple of months. Didn't like it at all because it's so much bounded with the with the Microsoft thing. I don't like too much of the foundation. I like my own freedom while designing something or creating something for the client or myself. So that's why I don't like .NET. I don't even recommend to people to go into the .NET. I say that go into PHP or Node.js or React.js or Angular. I prefer those technologies and I recommend those technologies as well. Speak slow, please. I will try my best. I will try my best to speak in a very slow mode. Sorry about that. Sir, can you please suggest a good laptop for programming below 40k? Yes, that video is coming up, Bharat. Wait for today. Tomorrow is the upload. Will be done because I have some editing works left for that video, you know, some color correction and stuff. Making these audio crispier, more awesome so that it's awesome to watch. Video is coming up for laptop under 50k and 25k and I have picked up my best for that. New awesome decoration in your new office. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's really a hard work that we have thought out and it's amazing. It's easy to change and flip back these backgrounds as well. It's a hard work. Need screencasts, please. Sure. That is gonna come up. Okay, congratulations for 71k. Did we hit 71 already? I just looked up, it was 70 yesterday, I think so. But we are moving at a very fast rate. Thank you so much. Soft skill is important than coding skills? No, not at all, not at all. Soft skills does require a little bit of the times to crack up a few interviews, but I would say that coding skills are at the top. Even some people I've seen who stutter a little bit, or maybe their speaking skills are not even up to mark in a day-to-day life talking, and they are doing pretty good in programming and stuff. Which mic you are using? Suggest me a lapel mic. Probably I can do a lot of videos on mic because I do have a lot of mics going on around. You can see there is one. This is, oops, did I broke it? Nope. Okay, this is the one that I have here. I do have another mic here, which I can show to you. This is amazing mic, Rode. I do have a lot of mics, some boom mics sitting at the top, and some of the mics, oops, some of the mics are lapel. I'll definitely suggest you, I'll make a separate video on microphones that I use. I have a lot of stuff going on here. Big data is related to Python or not, or you just need R language? Big data can go up with both languages. It can go with the Python or it can go with the R as well. If you're already aware with the Python, no need to learn R, but R is also a good language. Okay. What is the number in bank total price? Enough to live a happy life, but it's not a big amount being going on in my bank. Yes, it's decent. It's decent. I can make a few travel around the globe. Can afford a Harley Davidson. That's all I can say. And my nonsense stuff going on every single week or month. I purchase a new stuff. So yes. Bangalore meetup, MCB Tech. Yes, I am coming to Bangalore. Maybe in next week or next week. It's confirmed. It's confirmed that I have to go to Bangalore. So definitely I'll let you know in which hotel I'm staying so that you can post on my Facebook and we can fix up some coffee time or something like that. So yes, definitely I'm coming to Bangalore very soon. Okay. Your website says watches again, not watch it again. Yeah, I'm aware of that. A couple of students posted a screenshot and reported to me on mail. I will update that probably today or tomorrow. It's Sunday, it's lazy Sunday, so definitely. Please make tutorials on CSS Grid that are already being made onto a separate CSS course, but I haven't imported that course into Learn Code Online. I'll do that very soon. Okay. Please say Hindi. Why are you typing it in English? You should be typing that into Devanagari script. We are talking about Hindi. Or you should be writing that in Tamil. That's the oldest language, I believe. Or you should be writing in Sanskrit. Your website says, oh, come on, I'm aware of that. Come on, leave that a little bit stuff, little bit fat finger typo. Okay. Scikit, learn the best way to get started with machine learning. Yes, Scikit is an amazing way to get started in machine learning, but I think the first step is Python. Sunday is exciting only because of you. Thank you so much. I am very soon trying to fix up a particular time slot for Sundays. No matter what happens, it's gonna be that time, but after I release all the apps and do regular stuff, I will fix up the time to make Sunday even more awesome so that more people can join up. Thank you so much for that. Okay, which is best stack, Mean or Django? Okay, you need my advice or my opinion on that. I would go for Mean. Because all these things comes with a Mongo and Angular. I prefer with that, not with a Django. Not because Django is bad, it's amazing, but somehow I prefer Mean stack. Okay, how to get a job in Google or at least sign some NDA for checking the latest products. Saw your last Sunday feed. Yes, I am involved with a couple of projects going on at Google. I was previously involved in a couple of projects going on at Facebook. I did had some early updates in products. In fact, I'm recording a few videos for the latest product that Google is about to launch in September, I think. I cannot reveal the place where it's going to be. It's going to be in the United States for sure, but I'm recording more videos for that. And as soon as the product is being launched, I will roll out those videos on my channel. You have to be a little bit good in programming and you have to launch a lot of products in the market. You have to show a presence in the market that yes, I'm here. Then only these collaborations and NDA just goes like that. Cannot discuss more about these NDAs, otherwise maybe Google may get mad at me and not being throwing such programming products to me. But yeah, it's amazing products. It's a little bit buggy still. A lot of bugs are there. You won't even imagine how many bugs are being reported every single day on the group that I'm involved in. But yes, these videos will come up very soon. Which book would you recommend for students to read which will inspire us to enter into programming? Do you even need books after watching this channel? I thought I've done a pretty good job in inspiring a lot of people for programming. I don't think so you need a book. You're already inspired for that, but I'll definitely look out for such books, definitely. Okay. Start from Android or HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I think Abhinav, you should start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A lot of people directly start with the Android. There is no harm in that, but I think you will do much better in arranging the elements, designing your app very nicely if you have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is not directly involved and associated, but yes, somehow it is associated. Legend O just says, I'm learning Python. Hey, good for you. Okay, a lot of repeated questions are coming up. Let's just see. Sir, answer my questions, please. Should I start with Android development? How much money in it? Hi, Akash. Actually, everything has a money. Even the basic HTML, CSS people can earn money. It all depends how much efforts you are putting, how much portfolio you are making, what are the resources that you are utilizing, what are the contacts you have, how much you are spending your time on the websites like freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, and all these things. It's a very subjective question because I have seen people who have Android skills and are just earning, let's just say 25,000 or 30,000 Indian rupees, and some people with the same skill utilizing more contacts and doing more hard work are earning even like 80,000 or 90,000 per month as well. So there is money in everything, even in networking, and you just name it, there is money in everything. How to make a single page parallax effect website and from where to learn it? I have already talked about the parallax website and effect at my course at complete front-end developer course. Have a look on it at learncodeonline.in. Okay, so can I have your contact number? I would prefer a Facebook ping or maybe an email chat, not on the phone. I'm working with Ionic. A little confused. Yeah, Ionic is a little bit confusing thing, but it's awesome. You will enjoy that. What is the best and easy alternative for Sketch for UI in Windows? I think there is a software with, let me just have a look. It's an Affinity software. I think they call it Designer. Affinity Designer, yep. Affinity Designer is available for Mac and Windows. It's kind of an alternative for Photoshop, not for Sketch, but it's amazingly cheap. Very, very less price, and it's amazingly awesome. So you can try out that. Okay, where can I learn Kotlin, sir? You can learn Kotlin at learncodeonline.in. Sir, how you maintain your time? It's tough. It's becoming much more tougher for me. I am really good in managing time and everything usually, but the recent thing that I've started in Android and Google NDAs and Facebook stuff and a lot of stuff, it has become a little bit tough for me for managing time and everything. Node.js versus Java, which is good for starting a career? Depends on which state and which country you're looking up for. Usually in India, it's kind of a big scope for Java, but international companies are moreover looking for the people in Node.js moreover there. Okay. Okay. Django versus Java web apps. Django. I somehow always avoid Java. I know JavaScript and core Java. Should I start React Native or native app making? Yes, if you are aware with the JavaScript, go ahead, get started with React and then React Native. Okay, so people give it a thumbs up. It's time to show some love. Let's look up for more questions. Okay, there is a question from somebody who I know. So I want to learn wireless hacking from you. I will come to your state and I'll teach you personally there. It's actually my brother, Saksham. He is in Ahmedabad right now. And very soon I'll be there in Ahmedabad and probably I'll post up a meetup there, maybe. So definitely it's gonna come up. Okay, where did that go? Can an iOS developer get skills? R, Hadoop, Scrum Master. Okay, where did that question goes up? Where it's literally getting impossible to see the questions. It just keep going on like that. Okay. Is there scope of hybrid apps in future? Is hybrid app can okay? Where did that question goes? Is hybrid app can able make apps like Android? Some companies do work on hybrid apps. It's not like it's completely bad. The performance is a little bit an issue in a hybrid app, but it's not like that it's completely crap. But I wouldn't recommend you to go and get started in hybrid app. I would rather recommend to go in the React Native. Okay. What about React.js plus Firebase? I have already covered React.js plus Firebase in my React.js course. Have a look at that at learncodeonline.in. Love from Jharkhand. Thank you so much. I do have a lot of friends from Bihar and Jharkhand during my college time. These are amazing hardworking people. I'm still in touch with them. Suggest me laptop under 50k. Coming up tomorrow. Coming up tomorrow. Hi Tesar, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. How to make a chatbot in Swift? Never thought about making a chatbot in Swift. I did made a chatbot in JS for my Facebook page because a lot of people were just sending hi and how are you. So I coded a simple script that replies hi to hello and hello to hi. And for how are you, I'm good, how are you? I coded that script and just posted it on my Facebook so that all the people are getting reply with that. It's not there now. I have stopped it now because I didn't felt good about it. It's easy. It's not much of tough thing. Why don't you post small projects in different programming language, one video per week? Because in one video, I cannot finish up a project and there are a lot of things going on in my mind that I wanted to share you. So definitely I can think up for that because I'm looking forward to make small courses for small projects like making a WhatsApp clone in Android and making a WhatsApp clone in iOS. I'm looking up for these small projects based applications, later on courses for that. Right now the priority is iOS app. Building Genius, sir, what business opportunity you are providing? A lot depends what kind of business opportunity you are looking up for. Definitely we can talk up for that. And just to give you a quick update, I have been invited by a lot of universities and a lot of tech fest for giving guest lectures and sharing like my courses to the winner of their competitions and everything. Yes, I am looking up for that and definitely I will be moving to a lot of universities, maybe some Skype sessions, sometimes in-person sessions. Yes, that is coming up and a lot of students who are taking part in those university competitions will be winning up my courses and everything. So yes, that is a killer update that is coming up. What's your mail, sir? My mail is hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com. Pretty easy to remember. If you remember my name, by the way. Web design competition date. Web design competition. I cannot be very rigid about the date, but I think within this month, the announcement is going to come up within this month. Okay. When you're coming to Delhi? No, I don't have any international flights this month, so no Delhi plans. Usually all of my international flights goes from Delhi, so that's why I travel to Delhi. Coding competitions, yes, that's coming up this month. Okay, so a lot of questions are coming up and they are just keep on going. I'm not able to read them even. Sir, you are not posting any videos related to Microsoft technologies like C#, Visual Studio, Azure, Xamarin. No, I'm not a big fan of Microsoft tech. Usually their alternatives are much more cheaper and much more awesome. I feel so. I'm not saying I'm totally correct, but yes. Okay. Google Lens. Yes, it's an amazing project. I'm not associated in that. When you're coming to Chandigarh? No, there is no such plan right now. But surely if some college invites me, I would be really happy to travel there. I have traveled to Chandigarh once or two times. So... okay, so a lot of questions are coming up and I'm not able to read any of them. Best place to start projects. It's confusing how to start. If you're confused about that, why don't you hit learncodeonline.in? Okay. Okay, so, okay. Now we have been almost sitting here. Is your LCO app only web views? And what's the reason you have for iOS app? The LCO app is now much more improved. I believe you are having the older version. If you are looking up just for the web views, it's much more awesome now. And the iOS app is also coming up. I think it's gonna come up from maybe this week. Maybe this week. Love from Surat, Gujarat. I love that. Jignesh Patel. I love Gujarat. I love visiting Gujarat. It's amazing state. I stay there quite a lot of time, like week or sometimes 15 days. It's amazing place. Okay, so that's it for this Sunday live. Lots of update and lots of videos are gonna come up in this week because we have new awesome studio setup. I want to shoot a lot of videos, want to share a lot of my thoughts and knowledge regarding the laptops, which laptop to buy, like VIX, some project updates, some updates about LCO. So that's why, hey, please shout out my name. Hi, Vishal. Okay, so that's it for this Sunday live, and definitely I will share more update. In case you people haven't joined me up on Facebook, I regularly post at my Facebook page, which is Hitesh Chaudhary page. My account is already filled up with all the friend requests, and Facebook is not allowing me to add more friends. So that's why I'm not able to add that. So please, please, please join me up on the page. No more friend requests, please. I feel really bad when I'm not able to accept them. So join me up on the page, and I will surely come up with more awesome projects, more amazing things on this channel. Do hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and I will surely catch you up in the next video. Bye bye Dinesh, bye bye Sanket, bye bye Hardev, bye bye Maya.